Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix sales conversion with ClickFunnels, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To fix sales conversion with ClickFunnels, start by analyzing your current sales funnel. Identify where potential customers are dropping off. Access your ClickFunnels account and select the funnel you want to optimize. Review each page in the funnel to assess its design and messaging. Check if the landing page clearly communicates your value proposition. Make sure your call to action buttons are prominent and compelling. Test different headlines to see which resonates best with your audience. Consider adding testimonials or social proof to build trust. Evaluate the speed of your landing page. Use tools like Google PageSpeed Insights to identify areas for improvement. Next, focus on your upsell and downsell pages. Ensure they provide clear benefits and a smooth transition from the initial offer. A/B test different offers to find out which ones convert better. Inspect your follow-up emails. Make sure they're engaging and encourage recipients to return to your funnel. Utilize ClickFunnels Actionetics feature for effective email automation. Review your pricing strategy. Consider offering a limited-time discount or bonus to create urgency. Lastly, monitor your analytics closely. Use ClickFunnels' built-in reporting tools to track performance metrics. Adjust your strategies based on real data to continuously improve conversions. Continue to iterate on your funnel regularly for the best results. With these steps, you'll be equipped to enhance your sales conversion effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.